GMG Garage Headlight Renew Kit. Read step-by-step instructions thoroughly on how to perform this process. Next, take the tape and paper, tear off a piece, take your tape, cover up all tape and chrome around the headlight. Put a second row of tape. Secure paper down. Next, take the 200 grit sandpaper. Apply some water. You want to sand thoroughly. Next, take the 600 grit sandpaper. You want to smooth out these sanding scratches, get in the corners. The longer you sand, the better it will look. Now take the 1000 grit sandpaper. Take the white wipe cloth, completely wipe off the headlight surface. Take the UV sealant, shake this up for 3 to 5 minutes before you start. Want to start before the headlight, go past it. You want to let this set approximately 1 to 2 minutes. If this is cold temperatures, you may want to use a hair dryer or a heat gun to warm up the headlight surface. Next, you want to put a second coat on. That is the GMG Garage Headlight Restoration Kit. This will dry in about 3 to 5 minutes.